Hi, this is Bobby Rio, co-creator of Unlock Her Legs, and in this video, we're going to talk about 8 reasons you should be sending girls mixed signals. Now, mixed signals are one of my all-time favorite strategies for getting inside a girl's head and getting her to become obsessed with you. So let's talk about why it's so effective. See, as guys, we've been sort of programmed to believe that if you like a girl, you got to prove your worth to her. And for years, we've heard advice like, if you like her, let her know. And because of this pre-programming, the minute we start liking a girl, there's this little voice in our head that continually tells us, if she just knows how much I like her, she'll want to be with me. But the notion that girls want certainty, that they want to know how much you like her, is dead wrong. In fact, nothing will flame the fans of attraction as much as sending mixed signals. Why? Well, here's 8 great reasons. 1, it prevents you from appearing needy, clingy, or too available, which are all massive turnoffs to girls. 2, when a girl can't figure you out, you have the upper hand in a relationship. That's one of the key things I teach in the Scrambler is how to prevent a girl from figuring you out, because the more she can't figure you out, the more she's thinking about you, and the more she's thinking about you, the more control you have over her. Number 3, she'll begin to work harder to attract you, which creates more investment on her part. So when she doesn't know what you're thinking and when you're sending these mixed signals, she wants to impress you. She wants to get you to like her, so she puts more effort in. And when she starts putting more effort in, it's like a little voice goes off in her head that goes, man, I must really like this guy if I'm putting in so much effort. Number 4, no girls want an easy catch. That's self-explanatory. Number 5, girls are addicted to drama. Sending mixed signals provides her the drama she craves. See, girls want to sit around wondering what's going on. They want to have to talk to their friends and analyze you and go, what did he mean when? And number 6, when she's not sure where she stands with you, she anticipates seeing you more because there's a part of her that's unsure if she'll ever see you again. And fear of loss is crucial for her to fall in love with you. So there was a lot that I just said there, but keep in mind, she's got a fear that she could lose you. Number 7, it makes her assume that you have other options. And we all know that girls want what other girls want. So if you're not giving her 100% of your attention, if you're not confirming how much you like her and you're kind of sending these mixed signals, she's going to assume it's because there's other girls in your life that you're interested in too, and she's going to mentally compete with these girls. And like I said, we all know that girls want what other girls want. Number 8, when a girl doesn't know where she stands with you, she thinks about you more. And as the video below explains, the more she thinks about you, the more she convinces herself she's in love with you. Think about the first time you fell in love or any time you fall in love. What's the first signal? It's when you can't stop thinking about the other person. So that is the ultimate goal of sending mixed signals. When it comes to amplifying attraction, sending mixed signals is king. And there's a particular way to do it that multiplies the effect. And we actually put together a sneaky little mind game called the Scrambler that'll convince her that she's in love with you. So if you want to learn the Scrambler, it's a very powerful seduction strategy. Click the link below where you'll learn powerful ways to make her think about you, even become obsessed with you. You can use it to turn a female friend into your girlfriend, to have her obsessed with sleeping with you, fantasizing about sleeping with you, all because we figured out that there's several, mixed signals is one of them, but there's several different of these very strong attraction and attention weapons, and we figured out a specific way to use them that creates massive, massive results. So click the link below and learn the powerful mind game called the Scrambler.